Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today we have a very special Make Your Mark episode in cooperation with Brothers Sewing and the new Disney movie Encanto. Encanto tells the story of Maribel Madrigal, who was born into a magical family in Colombia, and everyone in the family has a special gift except for her. Now, as you all know, I am a huge fan of color in my projects, and I love Colombian art and handicrafts. They are some of the most colorful in the world, so it only made sense that I fell in love with this wonderful Disney movie. Plus, let's face it, I'm a huge Disney fan and I've been sewing my whole life, so it's a win-win for me. Well, today I get to show you how easy it is to embroider with the Brother Disney's Encanto embroidery files from EMBROIDERY.com. And the Brother Disney's Encanto embroidery thread pack on the Innov-is 1750D by Brother. And because these embroideries are so intricate and beautiful, I am going to turn them into big buttons for my Disney-obsessed nieces. On a side note, Brother also offers tons of Disney characters to embroider on this machine, so you can pick your favorite Disney princess to turn into buttons if you want to. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello, and you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some beautiful Disney Encanto's embroidered buttons. Once you've created your account on the EMBROIDERY.com website, just purchase your files and download them directly into a thumb drive. It's best to download the files directly into your thumb drive without putting them on the desktop first. This machine is incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is rethread the machine with the next color when it stops embroidering. Since I wear glasses, it can be a real challenge to keep rethreading the needle each time, but this machine automatically threads the needle for you to save time and my eyes. I grab the loop of thread at the back of the needle with long tweezers, cut the excess thread by pressing the scissors button, and I'm ready for my next section of embroidery. It's that easy. To add even more color and interest, I embroidered on the back side of some printed cotton. I'm gonna leave a link to Brother and everything I used for this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. and I will see you next week. Bye.